Severe weather and a tornado swept through the area Thursday night north of Mitchell, including at the home of Katie and Scott Scheibe, who live south of Huron. At their home, a 3-week-old shed was torn down and a 40-foot camper was thrown into the field near their home. The Scheibe home is mostly intact, and the family is thankful that they were able to withstand the storm without any injuries. Crews from the National Weather Service are expected to be in the area today to understand the impact of the storm and its power. For the Daily Republic, I'm Marcus Traxler.